Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation in a Coastal Dune. This one is powered by a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior leather heated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. And of course up top we do have our leather wrapped steering wheel. Inside you'll find our infotainment system equipped with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside additional storage space, our shifter, drive modes, park brake, cup holder, and additional storage here inside the middle console. Making our way through the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks, and of course, down below, you'll find our trailer brake controls. Moving along to the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls and our menu selector here in the middle. On our left hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings and our forward collision alert. To the right of the steering wheel, you'll find our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera and all of your other settings here down below. Of course, up top, we do have our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats, plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, we have our USB and USB charge ports to go alongside our AC outlet, 2 vents, and 2 cup holders. And behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, if we lift up these seats here with the lever to the right, you'll see we have additional space underneath, as well as our cup holders here along the middle. And last but not least, our sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on the Elevation, of course, we have our GMC badge in the middle of our black grille, front-facing camera, LED headlights and fog lamps along the side, paint protection equipped along the front of the vehicle, as well as our Goodyear Wrangler tires on our black rims. We also have black accent side mirrors with the camera integrated along the bottom, keyless entry handles like I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear window. And if you make our way all the way to the back, you'll find our corner assist steps on the rear bumper. We also have our spare tire underneath. And opening up the tailgate here, you'll see we have plenty of space inside of our box with plenty of hook spots to strap anything you might need, as well as our 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation in a Coastal Dune. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.